Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make my mom's famous Filipino macaroni salad.
Hi!
And my dad is going to pop in and help us stir it up. So we're going to show you how to make it. This is my mom, Annabelle, and she's also known as Grandma Belia or Auntie Belia. And for every Filipino party that we have, Mom always brings her famous macaroni salad. This is a Filipino macaroni salad, and she makes a big batch because everybody always wants to take some home after the party. So before you show us how to make it, where did you get the recipe?
My mom used to make it at home.
Did you make it at home in the Philippines too, with your mom?
Yes, when I was growing up, I used to help my mom do the cooking.
Okay, good. Well, now you can show me how to make it because I don't make macaroni salad, but everybody asks whenever we have a party, is your mom going to make macaroni salad? And I say, I'll ask her. So here she is. We're getting ready for a big Easter party tomorrow. And so she's already boiled up how much elbow macaroni?
I boiled 3 pounds of elbow macaroni, mayonnaise, shredded chicken breast, diced celery, carrots, chopped onions, pineapple tidbits, sweet relish, and 1 can of crushed pineapple.
Okay, and then
I have
you
diced
diced up
the celery. There's about 3 long stalks of celery.
Okay.
And then the carrots is like 1.5 cup that I also diced.
Okay.
And then 1 medium onions that I have chopped.
Finely chopped. Okay. And then you have some chicken. She has some shredded chicken. I think you just used the rotisserie chicken, right?
Yes, this is a chicken breast. I just used the breast from the rotisserie chicken. It's easier.
Yeah, and then you just shredded it up.
Yeah, or else you can boil chicken breast.
Okay.
Shred it.
So you don't really measure, you just kind of eyeball everything. And then once you mix it all together, she and my dad do taste tests to decide whether it's ready to serve or not. But this macaroni salad is on the sweet side, right?
Yes, it's a little bit sweet because I put a lot of pineapple. When you buy it at the store, they don't put much pineapple. This is 3 pounds of macaroni, so I put 4 cans of pineapple tidbits.
But you drained the juice out.
I drained the juice out.
But you also have crushed pineapple.
On the crushed pineapple, I don't drain the juice. I put everything.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to let Mom mix everything up.
Okay.
So you're going to mix the chicken in first.
It doesn't really matter. You can put everything together. Doesn't matter which one first, or
you just dump it all in.
Just dump it all in.
Did you chop all these, or did Dad?
I did.
You throwing these away?
The celery is really nice what I got because it's crunchy and actually easier if you have the kitchen gloves and just mix it.
We have gloves. Do you want to mix it?
But I don't like that other glove.
Oh, the rubber?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, because it's going to taste.
So you got the crushed pineapple that was undrained. You have the diced, finely chopped carrots and celery and onion, and then some shredded chicken. Okay, then how much relish?
For this one, I think I will put half of it because there's 3 pounds.
Half of the jar?
Yeah. This is And sometimes I will put a little bit of the juice if it's too dry, but I don't know yet. You could put real mayonnaise or Miracle Whip or whichever.
Okay.
Whichever you prefer.
How much do you put?
I don't know if I'm gonna put the whole thing. I have to see. Before I really didn't.
The whole jar?
I didn't really use the whole jar, but since this is 3 pounds, I might have to put the whole thing. But I'm not gonna. I have to see it first.
Okay.
It's almost ready. See?
So how much mayonnaise did you put in there?
I only put half, but
half the jar?
Yeah, but I think I need to put probably all of it.
Mom had to bring in Dad to stir because her hand hurts. It looks really good though. Yum. So you're gonna add the whole jar, of mayonnaise because it looks like it needs more moisture, right?
Yes.
Are you adding more salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. That's good, Mom. Good job.
Hi!